A dynamic design keeps the viewer's eyes moving naturally from one important detail to the next. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Select a clean background that complements your product, then go to the Elements panel and add a combination of geometric shapes in different sizes. Arrange the shapes diagonally or in a flowing pattern to create movement throughout the layout. Upload your product image and position it where it becomes the main focal point. Add a bold headline, product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using modern typography. Choose 2 or 3 complementary colors that match your brand